The M250 automatic rifle is a cutting-edge light machine gun developed for the United States Army's NGSW program. Designed and manufactured by Sig Sauer, it serves as the official replacement for the classic M249 squad automatic weapon. This next-generation firearm represents a comprehensive upgrade of modern infantry squad firepower systems. It abandons traditional Cold War design concepts and adapts to future high-tech battlefield combat demands. The M250 completed official military evaluation and began formal troop deployment in recent years. It has become a core light firepower equipment for the new generation of U.S. infantry combat units. The most revolutionary upgrade of the M250 lies in its brand-new 6.8x51公里 high-power ammunition. Different from the traditional 5.56公里 caliber, this new cartridge greatly enhances muzzle velocity and terminal lethality. It can effectively penetrate modern body armors and tactical protective equipment of enemy soldiers. The improved striking power perfectly copes with advanced individual defense equipment on the battlefield. It achieves accurate suppression and lethal strikes within an effective range of 500 to 600 meters. In terms of structural design, the M250 pursues lightweight, compact, and highly integrated performance. It adopts an optimized gas-operated automatic mechanism with stable and reliable cycling operations. The overall weight is significantly reduced compared with the old M249, easing soldiers' long-range marching burden. Its streamlined body structure improves flexibility during rapid movement and close combat. The weapon is equipped with a reinforced free-floating and low handguard for versatile tactical expansion. Soldiers can freely install scopes, laser pointers, flashlights, and other auxiliary accessories. It supports diversified combat configurations to adapt to different battlefield environments and missions. The M250 is standardly matched with the advanced M250 fire control and optical aiming system. This intelligent device integrates ranging, ballistic calculation, and digital display functions. It greatly improves long-distance aiming accuracy and first-shot hit probability for shooters. Whether in daytime bright light or low light night conditions, it maintains stable aiming performance. This advanced light machine gun fully demonstrates the cutting-edge level of modern military weapon technology.